we doing? Good. Okay, do you guys remember your lesson from yesterday? Squares and rectangles?
Yes.
Okay, who can give me an example? Who can tell me an example?
We were learning about solids and flats, and that's all.
And that's all? Okay.
6 sides.
6 sides?
7 sides.
7 sides. For squares and rectangles?
4 sides. I don't know.
No. What do you?
We were wondering if it was open or closed.
We're talking about squares and rectangles. How many sides on a square? Who knows how many sides on a square? 4. How many sides on a rectangle?
4.
4. Who wants to draw a picture of a rectangle up here for me? Draw a picture of a rectangle so we can all see. Good job. How can we draw a rectangle a different way? Does anybody know? You wanna come up, Chuck? It can't be the same way. Draw a different rectangle. Well, that looks more like a square. What do you guys think?
Yeah.
Yeah? Can you do it? Try it again. How about, can you erase it? Try it again. That was good though. That was really good. Okay, remember, look at this one. What's different between this and a square? Is it longer or shorter than a square? Longer. Okay, so go ahead and try. Yeah, you're doing good. Okay, good job. Somebody else want to try another way? Ready? Can you do a different way than this? How else can you draw a rectangle? These are going this way, right? What other ways can a rectangle go?
Yeah. I got it.
Yes, he did. Good job. What about a square? Zayden, come up here and draw us a square. Good job. Now, can a square only go this way? Or is there another way we can draw a square? Can you draw a square a different way? You can't?
I think.
You want to try? Okay, come try. See if you can do it differently than that. Okay, good. You kind of put it at an angle.
Yeah.
Very good. All right, good job, guys. Okay, so we're going to be looking at page 565. And it says, find square corners and rectangle shapes in the classroom. And then we're going to tell our partner why a shape you find is a rectangle. And then we're going to count how many square corners you can find. But first, let's look at this chart here. So on the chart, who's my light person? Adrian, do you lights, please? All right, class. On here, see how they colored in 1, 2, 3, 4?
Yes.
What is that? What shape is that?
Rectangle.
Rectangle.
And square.
And it's squares. How many squares are there?
4.
4. How many rectangles are there?
1.
1, right. Awesome. Okay, so I'm going to give you a few minutes and I want you guys to color in some. And then we're going to share. Okay? So find some rectangles and squares in this chart here. Color it in. Like for example, who can get, if I colored in number 9, what is that?
It's square.
Just a square? What if I colored in 8, 9, and 10?
A rectangle.
Good job. Let's see how many you guys can find. Give me a few minutes. crystals. Very nice. Wow. And you guys are doing awesome job here. How about a square, Zayden? Can you just color in just a square? How would you color just a square? There you go, good job. You guys are doing a good job. A lot of you guys got all the squares and rectangles down. What happens if I do this? I'm gonna color in something, I want you guys to tell me what shape it is, okay? Hold on, I'm gonna take it off so you can't see. And then we'll go back to it.
I just found one.
Did you find one?
Nobody probably didn't know this. Well, but I've already known this. I know this too. What?
Okay, hold on, let me log back down and log me out.
I feel like we can't go to the same.
What shape did I color in?
Square.
Square right here.
Square.
Square. What if I did?
I want to.
What is that one?
Rectangle.
Rectangle. Okay, who would like to come share some of the ones that they found beautiful? Do you want to bring your paper up here and share it with us? And then we'll see if you guys found some of the same ones Beautiful found. Are you done, Beautiful? No? Okay, do you want to call someone else right now? Okay, bring your paper up and share. And then you can, when you're done, Beautiful, let me know. You want to put it under here so they can see? Oh, how many rectangles did she find here? Who knows? Who can count? Should we count together?
Yeah.
Okay, let's see how many rectangles we found. How many did we find here? We've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Good job. I like how you did your design. Good job. Somebody else have something different they want to share? Come up here, sweetie. Okay, so tell us what you have going on here.
I have a circle and a square.
Okay, but we're supposed to do squares. You made a circle here, so how can we make that a big square? Is there a way we can make this into a big square?
Yeah.
What would we have to color in?
We have to do that. And then we have to do that.
Okay, here, use this. Turn this circle into a big square. Which other ones would you have to color in? Okay, you got to color that one. Okay, good job. See, Pike's turning his circle into a square. Good job. Perfect. Excellent job. All right. And we'll have one more, and then we're going to move on. You can bring yours up and let's see if you did. You guys are doing a great job. Show us what you have here. Oh, you have lots of squares. You want to point out some of your squares to your classmates? Okay, is this a square or a triangle? A triangle. Okay, how about a square? Where's a square at? Which one is the square that you put? Oh, number 100. Okay. Good job. What about 58, 59? What about this right here? Would this be considered a square? Yeah, good. Good job. All right. Good job, guys. Okay, so now we're going to move on. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to pass out some paper.
I had a lot of rectangles and squares.
You did. Good job.
Me too.
And we're going to take a few minutes. When you get your paper, I want you to fold it in half. Just go here, back here.
Ooh, you want to erase the board? What way?
Oh, I'm going to show you in just a minute. something.
Look at everything on my
That's good. You did a good job, beautiful. Very good. I'm gonna show you guys in just a minute. Good job, Christos. Look at you
That's a
going.
big square.
That is a big square.
Our paper is... Oh! The paper is a rectangle! Oh yeah.
Why is it a rectangle? What does it have?
4 sides and 4 faces.
That's right.
Rectangle.
What about your worksheet you just did? What's your-
Rectangle!
That is right. It is a rectangle.
It does have 4 verticals. Right here. It's right here. Right here. Hold it in.
There you go. One for you, sir. Okay. So what we're gonna do now? We're gonna do something different. Take your paper and you're gonna fold it in half like this.
Like this?
Yep, just like that.
Like a toy.
Kind of like a book. Look at that. Everybody get it? Anybody need help? No? Yep, just like that. You got it, Jackson? Okay. Beautiful. Yep, perfect. If you can open it up and it looks like a book, you got it right. Okay. And then you're going to take your pencil and on one side, yes. You need help? Oh, you need help. Oh. There you go. Everybody good? Okay. So then on one side, right here, the very top, remember the top line, we're going to write, oh, okay, that's not right. Actually, we're going to draw a square. Okay, everybody draw a square. Mine's a little bit big. And then on the other side, you're going to draw a rectangle. Everybody get that?
I'm gonna go wrong way.
That's okay, huh? That's okay. Good job. So now what you're going to do, you guys have your clipboards?
Yeah.
Okay, did you get that? Good job. Good job. Need help? How you doing, Christos? You need help? Here, let's help. Here, I'll help you. Oh, you do it. You got one side. We're gonna hold it like this. Okay. So you got one. Get your rectangle. Now draw your square. You got it, beautiful? You need help? Okay, fold it in. You draw a square right here. Draw a square. Awesome. And then on this side, draw a rectangle. Good job. Good. All right. Then what you're going to do. Okay, so you have 2 squares. So what you're going to do now is I'm going to give you guys a few minutes and you're going to quietly walk around the classroom with your paper on your clipboard and you're going to find items that are either a square, you can either write or draw, or a rectangle. So for instance, if you look around the classroom, what is something in here that is a square?
Window.
Huh? The windows. So under my square, we can write window. Okay. What is something that's a rectangle?
Oh, that.
What?
That's the blue.
Oh, on here?
Yeah.
Okay. So part of a poster.
Both of the shapes have 4 verticals.
Yes.
This.
That? Okay. So do you guys want to take a few minutes, walk around the room and write down what you see that is either a square or a rectangle, or you can do it from your seats too if that's easier. What about the flag?
It is.
What's the flag?
It's a rectangle. I know one.
You think it's a rectangle?
It is. And it has 4 verticals.
Okay.
The blue on the flag.
The blue, is that a rectangle or a
Sticky
square?
notes.
That is a square. Good job.
Sticky notes.
Sticky
It's
notes.
blue.
Good one. That's another square. Huh?
The
What eraser, so you can write eraser down.
The posters up there are a rectangle.
Yes, they are posters. We got posters. You guys are doing a good job. I'll give you a few minutes and we're going to share what. Put your hands on. I'm going to let you share here in a minute. Write down what you see.
I did
Yes.
this earlier.
Oh, okay. Is that better? Okay, so look around the room and then I'm going to ask you to share what you wrote down on your paper. Don't tell anyone. Let's see if we can see something that one of our friends can't see. Okay, a few minutes. Alrighty. Who wants to share? Okay, what's one thing you put down?
I put dry erase board up over there.
Oh, the dry erase board. What is this? Is this a square or a rectangle?
Rectangle.
Rectangle. Good job. Christos, did you find something that's a square or rectangle?
I already said eraser.
Eraser. What about the door?
It's a rectangle at the end.
What is that? Square or rectangle?
Rectangle.
You're absolutely right. Who else can tell me something? What'd you get, sweetheart?
I got a TV.
A TV. Awesome. Rectangle or square? What's that one look like? Rectangle. Okay, there are smaller ones that are like square or Jackson. What'd you get?
I got a box.
A box? Would you put it under?
A square.
A square. Good job. Anybody? Beautiful. What'd you get, sweetheart? Eraser. Okay.
Backpack.
A backpack. Oh, that. You can probably have a square backpack, right?
No,
Rectangle. Also, you're gonna have a long one. Okay. Good job.
And a window.
And a window. Good job. All right. Good job, guys. Okay. Now we're going to turn to the next page, which is. Oh. So before we do that, let's do our I can statement. Repeat after me. I can use different materials to make shapes. Okay, good job. So on your next page, it's log back in again. Your computer logs out quickly.
Mm-hmm.
Does that a lot? Okay, so now we have this paper here that everybody can see. So what we're going to do is we're going to make a square. We're going to use the materials that are on your desk to make a square. And then you're going to draw a square in a box. Who would like to come up here and draw a square on mine to show everybody what a square looks like? Zayden, come on up here, Zayden. Give me my pen. Now I want you to draw me a square in the box here so we know what a square looks like. And then we're going to use our bags here to make squares and pull things out that are squares. Excellent job, Zayden. Good job. Okay. So go ahead and do that. I'm going to come around and see what you can use yourself and make squares. I want to see. Ooh, look here. She's making a big square over here. Good square. There you go. Good job. Where am I at?
20 minutes.
This is me when it gets up.
Yeah, that's fine.
Good job, Christos. Oh, you made a big square.
It's a big box.
Good. Now let's see if you can make a rectangle.
I'm making a square with you. I'm making a square.
You still making a square? That's fine.
Hold on. Next, I'm gonna make a rectangle.
Okay, you got all different tools in there to make a square. Oh, that's a big rectangle. So how can you make that rectangle into 2 squares? What would you have to do to that, RJ?
I put
Excellent,
it
yes.
a rectangle
Yeah, good
inside
job.
the big square.
Good job. And then, good job. And then make sure you guys are drawing your squares on your paper so we can see what your square looks like. Oh, there you go. Good job. Very good. You guys are doing an excellent job.
Wait, do we draw it on
Yes, draw a square right there, please.
I played it.
Yep, okay.
Rectangle. It's rectangle.
Okay, so then go ahead and draw your square right here. Use your pencil to draw a square. You have to have a square on your paper. Remember, just like Zayden did our square over here for us. And how do we know it's a square? Who can tell me? Jackson. Jackson.
Because it has 4 sides and 4 faces.
Oh, good job.
Because it's shorter than the
Shorter than the what?
rectangle.
Yes. Yes.
Because it has 4 verticals.
4 verticals. Good job. You guys got this. So if I did this, that's a rectangle, right?
Yeah. Rectangle.
But if I do this, is it still a rectangle? What is that now?
A rectangle.
Rectangle, or what else could it be?
Squares.
How many?
4.
4. Good job. Awesome job. Good job. All right, guys, good job. Okay, so now we're going to move on our next page, 567. It says, we're going to use the materials and we're going to make a circle. Who wants to come up and demonstrate a circle on my paper? Come on up. So we can remind our friends what a circle looks like. Good job. All right, so now I'm going to have you use your materials that you have, and now I want to challenge you to try to make a circle.
Why are you making a circle right now?
You can draw it too, but I also want you to try to make a circle.
Circle? Okay. I need more tea. I found it.
Oh, yes. What else do you guys have at your desk that could be a circle? I see something at your desk that could be a circle.
Oh, it's this.
Yes, a quarter.
The cap of my
The cap of that. What about your desk? What's the circle here at your desk? It's right in front of you.
If you cut these, I made it a circle.
Or the bottom of your water bottle.
Or you could just cut it.
You can cut it. Yeah, you can cut it in half, but it's too pretty to cut
I
in
know
half.
this is kind of a circle.
No, it's not quite a circle.
I don't know.
Do you have a circle? What do you have?
A face.
A face? A face is a circle? That's right. He made a good point. If you look at your little squares, what's in the center?
A circle.
Circle.
Your face is a circle.
I already said that.
Your eyeball.
Beautiful. What do you have at your desk that's a circle? Quarter, that's a circle. Yes. Crystals, what do you have here that could be a circle?
Your eye.
Are you making a circle for us?
Yeah.
Cut up this
eyeball.
Good job.
If you cut up this
This
paper
circle.
into
An eyeball.
An eyeball.
This.
Yeah.
There goes circle.
Oh, look at that. Good job. Here, let me take this up here. Can I put it onto the camera so we can show everyone? Look what he made. He got creative.
Ooh.
Whoa,
Whoa.
that's a fancy circle, isn't it? Good job.
Jets. Okay.
without even
job,
lining
Jess.
it.
Okay, so now then I want you to draw circles with inside that box, please.
Alright.
What'd you get, sweetie? Oh yeah, good. A dice. Look, the dice has circles on the dice. Did you ladies see that thing? A dice has circles.
I just noticed
That's
something.
good. I didn't even think of that one.
Everybody has circles.
You can find circles everywhere, right?
The giraffe. Da, da, da,
What
da,
giraffe?
da, da,
There's
da.
no
are doing a great job.
So I made
Good
it.
job, beautiful.
Made a circle.
Your circle? You're making a big circle?
I made a circle. Yeah, I made a circle.
High five, Christos. Good job. Okay, now can you take your pencil and draw a circle in the box for me, please? All right. Make sure you guys draw your circles in your boxes as well.
This is too easy.
26 minutes.
This is
Alright.
too easy.
That's too easy? Okay. Well, we're going to get challenging. Don't worry. That might be easy, but we're going to challenge you guys. All right. So let's go on.
Look
Yes.
at, come look at mine.
Oh, that's nice too. Very nice.
Look at mine.
That came out really good too. You guys all did a great job. So once you've done your circle, I'm going to challenge you now. On the next box, make a rectangle or find something at your desk that is a rectangle.
What is a rectangle? Wait, I know what it is. Oh, a rectangle.
Who wants to draw a rectangle?
Oh, I know.
Oh, no, go ahead, sit down.
Oh, painting. Wait, Chris.
Yeah.
Wait, maybe could I use my...
Can you draw us a rectangle right here so all our friends can draw
Can
our
I use
friends?
my print circle?
That's a big circle, Jax. That's a tall circle. Good job.
Making a
There.
rectangle.
To remind everyone, remember the rectangle is long. Okay, so let's see if you can make a rectangle. Can you make a rectangle with pencils?
Yes.
How would you make a rectangle with pencils?
I did.
How many pencils would you need?
One.
Just one to make?
No,
Two.
four.
You would need how many long ones?
Two and two short ones.
Right, you would need 2 long pencils and 2 short pencils to make a rectangle.
Little crayon.
Crayons?
But they still have 4 words.
That's right, they do. You could use those as well.
I almost made my
Yes,
rectangle.
your pencil boxes are.
You can do this.
That's exactly right. That's what I'm talking about. See,
Made my rectangle.
Zayden used 2 pencils and then he used 2 little crayons to make a rectangle.
I
Good
made
job.
one, a porcupine one.
Oh, that's nice.
Look, good.
I'm trying to think of one.
I made a rectangle.
Okay, we have to make a rectangle now. See if we can make that into a rectangle.
Look,
Pencil.
Okay.
Look, this is a rectangle.
That's a rectangle. Okay. Good job. Make sure and we also have to draw it on our papers too, so you can show me that you know how to draw a rectangle.
Well, I have a square in here. Oh, no, put together.
You want it taken apart?
I didn't.
Oh, you know what? This is 1. See, it's just a line, but it stays as 1.
Look,
Some of them are 1, some of them are 2. See, so this stays together, but you can add to it.
this is a rectangle.
Yes, that is a rectangle. Yes, sir.
Look at mine.
Oh, yeah, yours is coming along very nice.
If you cut this in half, it makes a rectangle.
Yeah, it does. You are absolutely right. Crystals, are you losing your
This is
stuff?
square.
Thank you,
That's
sweetie.
someone else.
Oh, that's someone else's? Who's losing the dice?
Mine. Wait, let me look.
Should you guys each have 2 dice? Crystals, you only have 1 dice. Make sure this isn't yours?
It's not mine.
Not yours? Okay, we'll put it on Miss Karen's
made
desk
it.
and I'm sure we'll find out who made mine. You made yours? Let me see.
Adrian don't have one.
Oh, that's like a 3D one. Who doesn't have dice?
I have a good one.
Making a big rectangle.
I have a
I
good
think
one.
that's perfect. I have a very good one.
Okay, what do you have?
I have one with I have a square on
Whoa!
the
It's squishy. I have a square.
Did you hear, guys, did you hear what he said? He says
A
this is
pencil
a
box.
rectangle, right? But it also has squares on it. Good job, that's a good observation. Very good.
I already did that.
Yes, the computer?
A portal.
The back of, yeah.
A
That's the top
phone.
of it, yeah.
A phone.
A cell phone,
A
yes.
book. A book.
A book?
Hey.
You guys are doing a great job.
I know.
A lot of books.
How is that a rectangle?
You can type like here.
Oh, like if you cut it in half, so that way it's like, looks like this?
Yeah.
Okay.
Oh, no.
Yes.
Some paper.
Your paper, yes. Depends on how you
Oh.
turn your paper.
Yeah. These. A tent stick. What? These. A tent stick.
Tent sticks, yes.
A long one. And I made a rectangle. It looks more like a square.
All right. So I have some questions I want to ask. Let's see who's paying attention, okay?
I will.
Okay, let's see. We're gonna pull this up.
I made a rectangle like you. I can't read it.
Okay, on our paper it says, see the shapes up here?
Yeah.
It says, Carlos made the shapes below. He says they are both squares. Is he correct? Are those
No.
both squares?
No.
Could they be both squares?
Yeah, if you cut it, it will.
If you cut what?
The rectangle.
And how would you have to cut the rectangle?
And then
In half, right. If you cut the rectangle in half, can that make,
like this.
if we cut this in half, does that make squares?
It makes two squares.
Right, it makes two
You know,
squares.
like equals 3.
Yes, good job, guys.
2 plus 2 equals
Okay,
4.
so let's put all our shapes away, and we're going to turn to this side, or this side of your paper right now.
Like this.
Okay, everyone put that away. Yes, excellent job. Okay, go ahead and turn to this paper here,
I did.
where it says number 5.
Look how much stuff I have
Okay.
in my desk. My
And
desk.
we're gonna challenge you guys. Who's up for a challenge? You guys are so good at your squares and rectangles. Who wants a challenge? All right. Okay, so make sure everybody's on this page.
Challenge.
Okay, everybody turn over your papers. Let's see who's up for the challenge. You ready for it? Christos is ready. You're ready. Oh, let's turn over your paper because I know you can do this challenge, Christos. You're up for that. Beautiful. You ready?
I'm ready.
Okay, here's the challenge. Susie makes a closed shape with 4 equal sides. Shh, don't yell it out. Draw what shape she made. Don't tell anybody. What shape did she make if it has 4 equal sides? What do you think she made? Keep it in your bubble. And after everybody does it, then we'll see. What do you think she made if it had 4 equal sides? What shape is it? Remember we're talking about rectangles and squares. So what do you think she made? But keep it in your bubble. Yeah. Did everybody have it? No? Okay, if it has 4 equal sides. Do you have it, Crystals? It's in your bubble? Okay. All right. Good job. Good job. All right. Okay, on the count of 3, we're going to say what shape does she make that has 4 equal sides? 1, 2, 3. Square.
Yeah, I got the square.
Remember, squares have 4 equal. Rectangles are long. Do they have 4 equal sides?
Yes. No. Yes.
Remember the ends?
No.
No,
They
you don't.
don't. Because the part where they connecting together, I'm ready for this next
See?
challenge already.
Are those equal sides? Is it the same? No, but a square has 4 equal sides. Excellent job,
I
guys.
already got the answer on
Okay,
number
keep it
6.
in your bubble. Keep it in your bubble. Okay, so then we're looking at number 6.
I got it.
This one says Miguel makes a closed shape with 3 straight sides and 3 vertices. What shape did Miguel make? Draw the shape.
You meant verticals.
Verticals.
Vertices.
Don't tell anyone. Keep it in your bubble. Good job. Remember, this one has 3 straight sides. Only 3 sides. Keep it in your bubble. Don't say until you draw it. This is a trick question. It's easy. Good job. Get up in your chair, please, Crystals. Did you get it? What shape has 3 straight sides? Remember, we're keeping it in our bubble. Might not be a square or rectangle, might be in different shape. Oh, you guys are on it. You guys are good with my trivia here. All right, so we're gonna count down from 3, and then we're gonna say what it is. Ready? 3, 2, 1.
Triangle.
Triangle. Excellent job, guys.
Triangle. Triangle.
A triangle. All right.
Go Chunky.
So now we're gonna go do this one right here. This is a little practice. Mark wants to use straws to make a hexagon. We're going to use the dots to draw straight line that shows how the hexagon would look. So let's try this. You guys want to try it on your own first?
Yeah.
Okay, try it on your own. Remember, it has to be straight lines. They have to connect.
No, not that straight.
Got it? Connect the lines, make straight lines. Good job. Good job.
There.
And ladies, good job there. Good job. Good job. I already got you. Good job. Oh, right, Crystals, way to go. Give me a high. Good job. Should be almost at 30, right?
You're at 38.
Oh, stop. Good job.